I have the eTech City infrared thermometer. It says it will range up to a little over 1,000 degrees. I have no idea what you would use for that high of a temperature. At least I personally don't need it for that. It does show you in the diagram that you need to, for optimal performance, you need to be a certain distance from the object. If you're 10 feet away, it's not going to measure a correct temperature. But it's got a infrared light. You'll see that wherever you're pointing at is where you're going to get that temperature reading. It uses a 9-volt battery, which is included. You have the option to turn the on and off the backlight. You also could change over to Celsius from Fahrenheit, so whichever you prefer to read. And yeah, I'll go ahead and take some different temperatures of different items and just kind of give you an idea. So with my hand, we're looking at 96 degrees, so pretty accurate there. We'll go off and we'll do some other stuff here. It's been pretty accurate at cold temperatures. I used a regular thermometer to double check it, so definitely works for that kind of stuff. It works well for checking hot surfaces. I never realized how hot this stove got so quickly. I usually use my induction stovetop. Let's go ahead and check the temperature there. So it's definitely increasing rapidly, but works great for checking your heat. It will also work well for cooking as well. Or maybe you want to check something kind of in between. These AC hoses definitely get really hot. And I would definitely recommend getting one of these insulated hoses. They definitely make a huge difference. This does work for cooking. As I mentioned, I have used it for cooking different things. I didn't record any of those videos, so I wasn't able to get any of that footage in here. But overall, it's been a pretty accurate thermometer. It's been working pretty well.